For a modern, stylish man, grooming is a crucial aspect of his life, and that is why a lot depends on his grooming kit. A lot of you may be wondering what goes into a man's grooming kit. Today, we'll take you through the essentials you should have in your grooming kit. First is hairstyling products. Everyone loves styling their hair, and for that, it is important you have the right help, so hairstyling products like good shampoo, hair gel or wax should be a part of your grooming kit. Second is a shower gel. A shower gel helps clean your skin, fight odor, and keeps you fresh. Third is a shaving kit. This needs no explanation. A shaving kit comprising of a razor, shaving cream, shaving brush, trimmer, and extra blades is essential. The Gillette Mark III razor with stronger blades and adjustable head helps not only shave your beard but your body too. Next is a face wash. Soap is too harsh for your face. It needs something more sensitive, and that's where a face wash comes in. It eliminates dirt, impurities, and removes dead skin from the face. Fifth is deodorant. Everyone perspires. It's natural, but you have to make sure it doesn't overpower your scent and leave odor. It is important to keep a deodorant handy so you can smell good always. Last is sunscreen. You are out most of the time, traveling for work or enjoying a sport. You're always exposed to the sun, so it is important to keep a sunscreen. The SPF blocks the sun and prevents your skin from getting tanned. These were your grooming kit essentials. For more such videos, subscribe to the Gillette India channel.